There's no such thing as normal. Here, all of your lives, you're told about the normal way of doing things, the normal route to success, the normal path to happiness, the normal way to get that normal job and have that normal career. But I'm here today to tell you that normal is a myth that you somehow move away from. You're on a path to obscurity. For much of my life, I did what was considered to be normal. I went to school and did my GCSEs and A-levels. I went to university and did a degree and a master's in economics. And then I thought I'd go on to have a normal career in a job in the city in investment banking. But while I was at university, something changed. I started organising student events. And I loved it. I really got a buzz from it and was enjoying living and dying by my own decisions. So I decided that rather than going for that normal career, I was going to start my own events company and live and die by my own decisions for years and years to come. Now, a lot of people around me thought I was crazy. My friends and my family would ask me, hang on, you've done all those years of studying and now you're going to start your own events company, something you've got no experience in. But it was hard to take, but I sucked it up and I gave it a go. Now, in those days, before you had the internet and Facebook and Instagram marketing, you used to have to hire a venue, book an entertainer, and then hand out flyers on the streets. Now, if you want to know what it looks like to be really, really scary, hand out flyers to someone on the streets. You go up to them, they'd see you, and it'd be something like that. And then sometimes I'd see people that I went to university with, and they'd be in their nice shiny suits, going back into their shiny office buildings in Canary Wharf, and they'd say to me, is this what you're going to carry on doing now? When are you going to go and get that normal job? But after a while, my legwork, it started to pay off. People started to hear about the events I was doing. I built up a database. And 13 years on, okay, I don't hand out flyers on the streets anymore. A lot of it is online and automated. But a lot of the lessons that I learned about confronting the norm, about confronting difficult questions and becoming comfortable with being uncomfortable are still lessons that put me in good stead today. The fact is, if you are going to walk away from a norm, you are going to have to confront those questions. You are going to fail. You are going to make mistakes. But walking away from a norm, it also presents some of the best opportunities that are out there in this day and age. Some of the brands you've heard of today: Uber, Netflix, Tinder. I know some of you heard that one. Have all done it. So my message to you is, if you've got a passion for something, if you're good at something, you can get your message across to the world with a touch of a button in this day and age. So what are you waiting for? Give it a go. And in the words of Oscar Wilde, be yourself, because everyone else, well, they're taken. Thank you, everyone.